How the hell do you play doubles? This is an age-old question, especially if you're self-taught. It can be really tricky, but I'm about to tell you how you do it. So doubles, if you don't know, are a rudiment. One of the most important rudiments because they're in so many other rudiments down the line. All it is right, right, left, left. Or if you're left-handed, left, left, right, right. Once you get really good at them and you stick them together, you get to do that and you don't have to go through the effort of doing single strokes. It's a lot less hard work. So with doubles, rebound is everything. You're getting this stick and the drum to work for you. The bounce is everything. So this is where your grip is really important as well. As I've mentioned before in how to hold sticks properly, this is your pivot point, your thumb and your forefinger. And then wrapped around that, you've got your other fingers, but not really tight. You're not gripping on for dear life. Because what you want this to be able to do is open up and have this nice and loose so your fingers can give it a bit of extra propulsion, kind of. That's the best way I can think to put it. So the best way I can describe doing doubles is it's a two-part motion. So you hit the drum and you can see I've caught it basically with my hand open like that, okay? Just like that. It looks a bit weird at this angle. When it's down here it makes sense. So that's the first part. You catch it while it's vaguely upright and then you close your fingers on the way back up. Open, close. Now it's really important that when you first strike it, you let the drum and the stick do the bounce for you. You're not trying to go like that. It will do it for you. Eventually, this is very exaggerated, but eventually this motion gets a bit smaller. And as you become more relaxed, the motion gets smaller and you can put a little bit more power into it and it's a bit more controlled. The tricky part is getting your left hand to also cooperate with you on this. It's exactly the same thing, it's just your left hand's going to probably throw a hissy fit. So all this requires really is sitting down and putting the time in. It's one of those things, I know, it sucks, but it is one of those things. So I've done another video on this and how to apply doubles in a more subtle way that means you don't have to sit here and just do doubles because that can be really dire. It takes a lot of brain power after a while. So using grooves and stuff where there's just a double in there occasionally can help you develop it in a more subtle way that won't make you want to give up, basically.